everyone, this is Julie HR, and I wanted to share my newest HR template entitled the Modified Duty Tracker. First, we're going to take a look at it within my Etsy shop, and we're going to go slide by slide. And then we're going to take a deep dive, not too deep, and go in and look at the actual Excel sheet. So here we go. Okay, first and foremost, this is an Excel spreadsheet. It is in Excel, and note there are 4 tabs: instructions, employee and case info, dashboard, no data entry on this one, and daily tracking. Some of the dashboard features, and this is one of the tabs, you'll see the large KPI summary cards, days used tracking, and you can actually see it within this particular chart, and it's by month, percent of limit used, and we'll look at it just a little bit deeper in just a second. This is where you will put your data. This is the daily tracking calendar. You see the months down the side, and then you see the days of the month here, and as an employee is working, it's tracking their number of hours they're working and also the number of days. Okay. It also captures employee and case information to include, information about the case, the type of injury, the medical restrictions and limitations, and then the modified duty assignment. Very, very detailed and very, very helpful. The thing about this one is it's set to 180 days. However, if you let me know, I can always change it to 60 days of modified duty, maybe even 30 or 90. It depends on your particular organization's policy. And then here is the instructions tab. It is step by step how to use it, easy breezy and whatnot. Saves time, manage cases, support compliance, improve visibility. So it alerts you on so many different levels. So with that being said, I'm going to actually look at the spreadsheet. And here you go. Like I said, here are the KPI cards. It's based on 180 cumulative calendar day limit. Now, as mentioned, I can do a 30, 60, 90, whatever you may need. You just have to let me know. You'll see the 91 is right here. And you can also see on this donut chart, days used, 163. This is how many are remaining, okay? Right. So as mentioned within the Etsy ad, there are the instructions, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it goes through each and every single tab. So if you have questions, then it also has frequently asked questions and common mistakes. Here is the employee case info. You put this in here, a couple of items in there. Right, and it feeds into the other 2 tabs, and I'll show you that in just a second. But this is the case info. Here's the dashboard. You don't put any information. You don't even touch this. Nothing actually even goes into that. So let me move this over. Sorry about that. Go back here. It's so clear to see exactly how many hours were worked in January, how many days were worked, how many cumulative, what percent of 180, how many days are remaining, and it lets you know, oh my goodness, you're near the limit. So let's go over to the daily tracking. This is where you would put in the hours. Right now, you can see that we are at how many days are remaining? 17. But if I go over here and let's say I go 4, 4, 4, 4. Is it going to alert me? Like, what's it going to do? I'm just going to pull this over a little bit. Just a little bit more. Okay. All right. Now here you have 181. It hit that cumulative 180 days. So what's the dashboard going to say? It's going to say there are -1 days remaining. Maximum has been reached. 180 days exhausted. Modified duty must end immediately, and that's dependent upon your policies. And then you can look right here. We hit, it says limit reached. So it's really, really good. And all you have to do is fill out this employee case info, which feeds that into this. You can always see where the formulas are. But daily tracking is where you put everything. So let's say I just wiped all this out. I just want to show you the colors and whatnot. See, it all changes back. So very good. And so if anybody has any questions, feel free to message me on Etsy, and I will be more than happy to make a video for you if you need to see something a little bit more in depth. If not, I look forward to our next video because I'm going to be rolling out a lot more of these wonderful spreadsheets. Have a wonderful Saturday. Thanks so much.